Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called SVS number 459, Distance Sums, by Richard. And here are the rules. Apply classic Sudoku rules, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. We have a cell with arrows contains the digit n, where n is the sum of the digits at a distance of n steps in the direction of the arrows. Okay, so for example, if this were a 7, that digit, n, is the sum of the digits at a distance of n steps in the direction of the arrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these two digits must add up to 7 if this were 7. So you could have something like, I don't know, 6 and 1 here. And that could be possible. And that would satisfy this distance sum rules, right? So again, the digit n is the sum of the digits which are n steps away along the arrow. So 7 is the sum of the cell digits that are 7 steps away here and 7 steps away here, which would be, in this case, if this is 1 and 6. And that's an example of how distance sums work. And those are all the rules. If you like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, the way that we should target this is find out which ones are the most limited. And this is the most limited because this can only go 3 here. These must point, so these two are the most limited. This is going to be 3 at most, and this is only going to be 3 at most. Well, this points to 2 digits which are going to be the same distance away. So it cannot be 2. It can't be 2 because that would force this to be 1 and 1 to add up to 2, which is not possible. So this must be 3, which means 3 away has to be add up to 3. So that's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 there. This can no longer be 3, but it's pointing in 2 completely different directions, so they're not going to see each other. So it could be 2, which it has to be then, because this is 2 away is 1. 2 away here is 1. 1 eliminates 1 here, so that's 2, which makes that 1. But 1 and 1 add up to 2. This must be pointing at 3 or 4 away. If you have 4, it's going to be pointing to something here. If you have 3 here, this digit in this direction must be less than 3, but we already have a 1 and a 2 already accounted for. So this cannot be 3 here. Therefore, this must be 4. We need a digit smaller than 4, 4 away here. And it can't be 1 or 2. So that forces us to be 3, and that to be 1 to add up to 4. Okay. Where are the other restrictions? This can go to, these point in the same, we'll be pointing at something in the same column. So it's got to be unique. So it has to be 3 through 6, because this can only go 6 this way. This is 3, it can't be 1, 2, or 3, because of 1, 2 in the column and 3 in the box. It could be 4 or it could be 5, because this is limited to 4 or 5, going in this direction or that way. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So this could be 3, 4, or 5, pointing that way. If it's 3, it needs a digit 3 away that's going to be smaller than it, but it cannot be because we have 1 and 2, so this can't be 3. What about 4? 4 away would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which would have to be 3 here and 1 here, which is possible. Or this could be 5. So we have a 4-5 pair in column 6, which eliminates 4, 5 in the rest of the column. That means the remaining digits in the column are 3, 6, 7, 9. And this can't be 3 because of 3 in the column. So this is done. This is done. This is done. If this were 3, that would force this to be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, but they can't be 1 and 2, obviously, because of the 1, 2 in the column. Remaining digits in column 5 are 5 through 9. And this can't be 8 or 9 because of 8 and 9 in the box. So this cannot be 3 here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 would have to be 1 and 3, but this can't be 1 or 3, so this can't be 4 here. 5 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could work, and 6 could work. Okay. This can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at most. And they're going to be in the same column, no matter what. So this must be at least 3. So 3, 4, 5 there. If this is 3, that means this is 1 or 2 and 1 or 2, which doesn't work. 4 away means this digit has to be smaller than it, which is not possible. So this has to be 5 then. So 5 away is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here. So 5 eliminates 5 from being here. This is 2 and 3 adding up to 5 here. So this cannot be 3 here. No 3 here. So this is satisfied. This can go up to 8. This can go up to 8. This can go up to 8, up to 7 here. But we can't have 1 in this direction. So this can't be 2, so we have 4, 5, 6, 7. This is up to 7. And they're going to be in the same row, because it has to be the same distance going this way and this way. So, actually, let's do remaining digits of row 4. We have 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. And this can't be 5 here. This can't be 4 or 9 here, because of 4 and 9 in the box, 5 in the box there. This can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can be up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so this is up to 6. It's going to be in the same row, so it cannot be 2. So this is 4, 5, or 6. 4 away would be 1, 2, 3, 4, which would have to be 1 and 3, which doesn't work because of the 3 in the box there. So 4 doesn't work. 5 could work with 1 and 4. And 6 could work with 2 and 4, maybe. Okay, this is up to 8. And it could point to, well, if it's 2, it would have to be 2 away here, which is 1 and 1, so that can't be 2. So this is 4, 6, 7, or 8 there. This can't be 2. So this is 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. This can't be 1, 2, or 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We are guaranteed a 4. Well, 4 here means this is 3 and this is 1. So it could be 1 there. 5 here means this is 1 and this is 4. That's interesting. 4 here means we have a 1-3 pair here. That works. 5 here. Wait, that doesn't work. Can this be 4 then? 1, 2, 3, 4. This digit has to be smaller than 4, which it can't be. So therefore, this can't be 4. This is 5, which makes that 4. 4 this way is 3, and therefore 4 this way must be 1. So this is satisfied. 5 this way, then, means, first of all, this can't be 5. 5 this way and 5 this way must be 1, 4 or 2, 3. We're not sure which. Okay. So this is not quite done. That 5 eliminates 5 from being here. This is 4 away. This has got to be less than 4, but it can't be, so this can't be 4 away. 6 or 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That could potentially work. Where is 1? Okay, this can't be 9 because of 9 in the box, so this is 6, 7 as a pair, which eliminates 6, 7 in the rest of the box, so this can't be 6 or 7. This is 5. There's no 5 here. Where is 1 in the central box? It must be here. Okay. Where is 1 then in column 8? Cannot be here because 1's in the box. Can't be here because 1 in the row. Can't be here because it must be the sum of 2 digits. So 1 has to be there. 1 in row 8 then has to be one of these 2 digits. 1 in row 3 has to be one of these 2 digits. Okay. Remaining digits of this lower central box, we have 2 and 4 and 6, 7, and 8 as a possibility. Three away has to be less than 3, which is not possible. So this can't be 3. 4 away has to be less than 4, which is not possible. So this is 6, 7, or 8. 4 away here must be less than 4, which is not. 5 away here must be less than 5, which is not. So it's 6, 7, or 8 there also. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So one of these must be smaller than this digit here, at least. So if this were 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that would force this to be 6, and 7 away would have to be 6 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but this can't be 1. So this cannot be 7 away. If this is 8, that would force 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which would be 1 and 7 there. Huh. I guess that's possible. Or this could be 7 if this is 1 and it's 6. Can this be 3 away? 1, 2, 3 is not smaller than 3. 4 away, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not smaller than 4. So this is 6, 7 as a pair, which eliminates 6, 7 in the rest of the box. So this can't be 6 or 7. It's 5 away. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has to add up to 5. So this is 4, which eliminates 4 here and 4 here. And that's 1. So this is satisfied. This 6, 7 as a pair eliminates 6, 7 in the rest of the row, too. So this can't be 6 or 7. Remaining digits of row 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. No 1 here, no 1 here, no 4 here. Okay. Um, 4 away. So 4 away would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, but it would have to be 3 and 1, which does not work. So this cannot be 4 away here. 6 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 5, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and could be 1, so that could work there. Hmm. Seven away. Okay, remaining digits of this lower right-hand box are 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. No 3 here, no 3 here. Hmm. Okay. Remaining digits of column 4, we have 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. And no 9 here. Obviously 5 is one of these two. Hmm. Ugh. Oh, can you have 6 away? If you have 6 away here, that doesn't work because we have a 1 here and a 4 here. And to add up to 6 with 2 unique digits, which these are going to have to be, it's either 1, 5 or 2, 4. And those are both eliminated by the 1 and 4 in the column. So this cannot be 6, this is 5. We are guaranteed we need a 1 in one of these two cells. So therefore, to add up to 5, it's going to be 1 and 4. So this has to be a 1, 4 pair here. We don't know which is which, though. So this is 5, which eliminates 5 from being here. Where's 5 in this upper central box? It must be here, so that's 5. That means 5 has to be one of these two digits here. 5 has to be one of these two digits there. And 5 can't be here, or here, or here, or here in this box 6, so 5 has to be there. Hmm. 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would have to be 4 here and 2 here. Can this ever be 8? If this is 8, that points to 1, and this would have to be 7, which doesn't work because of the way that I laid it out, right? It has to be 6 there and 1 there. So this cannot be 8 here. It's either 6 or 7. If this is 7, if this is 6, this has to be 2 here and 4 here, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. So then this would be 2 and 4 there. If this is 7 away, this is obviously 1 plus 6 in that case. Okay. If this is 6 here, this has to be 7 or 8. But it can't be, well... Huh. Hmm. Um... 6 here requires this to be 2 or 4. Oh, this can't be 4 because of the 1-4 pair in the row. So if this is 6, this can't be 4. It's 2, which would make that 4. If it's 8, this is 1. So if this is 6, this is 2, and that's 4. If it's 8 here, that means this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 going that way would be 7, which would force that to be 6, which would force that to be 2 and 4. So if this is 6, this is 2 and 4, which eliminates 2 and 4 in the rest of the row, 2 in the rest of the row, and 4 in this column here. If this, so that would eliminate 2 from these cells. If this is 8, that makes this 1, 7, which forces this to be 6. So either this is 6 or this is 6, which means this cannot be 6 here. So we're guaranteed a 6 in one of these two cells. If this is 6, this has to be 2 and 4 to add up to 6. If this is 8, this must be 1, 7, which forces this to be 6, which makes that 2 and 4 to add up to 6. Either way, this is 2 or this is 2, which means this cannot be 2. None of these can be 2. We have 4 here or 4 here, which means none of these can be 4. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Remaining digits of row 6. We have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. And 4 cannot be here. It's all pretty much what we have. Where is 4 in box 3? 4 can't be here. 4 can't be here. If we try to have a 4 here, the problem is it sees the 4 here and the 4 here, which eliminates 6 as a possibility here, right? Because this must be 2 and 4 in that instance. Because this can't be 4, and it can't be 1 and 5 here. So 2 and 4 would be here. So 4 sees that 2 and 4, which eliminates 6 from being here, but it sees this 4, which means this can't be 6 either, right? Because that would require 2 and 4 there. So this can't be 4, these can't be 4, which means one of these two is a 4 in column 7, which eliminates 4 from the rest of the column. This is guaranteed to be 4. Oops. This is guaranteed to be 4 here. That's not too helpful. Let's see. One of these two is 6. Okay, if this is 6, if this is 7, then this must be 6. So if this is 7, this is 6, and that would have to be 1 here. Wait, 1? No, it would be 1. This is 7. 1. Oh, this can't be 7. So if this is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's 6. And this would have to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would have to be 1, which is impossible. So this can't be 7, which makes that 6, which makes that 7. There we go. 6 eliminates 6 here, so that's 8, which means this is 1 and 7 adding up to 8. So that's done here. 7 eliminates 7 here, so that's 6. 7 ways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 here. 6 and 1 do add up to 7. So that's satisfied. 8 is satisfied there. 6 is satisfied. Well, is it satisfied? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here, which makes that a 2, 4 pair. So this is 2, that's 4. 8 eliminates 8 here. This is 3, 7, and 9 then, remaining in row 1. 2 eliminates 2 here. And eliminates 2 in the rest of the box and column. We don't know about this, so 7 satisfied. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 must add up to 6 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, we have 1 and 4 here. That makes this 2 and 5 here, but this cannot be 5 because of 5 in the column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away is 2, which makes this 4, which makes that 1. This cannot be 1 here, so this must be 1 here. 5 away from there is 1, which makes that 4. So this must be 1 and 4 here. We could have figured that out also. Anyways, this is satisfied now. 6 is satisfied. 4 eliminates 4 from being here. Oops, this is not red. This is green. No 4 here. No 2, 8. No 8 here. No 6 here. We have 4, 7, 9 remaining in column 9. This can't be 4, so it's 7 or 9 there. One of these two is a 9 because 9 can't be here, so this cannot be 9 here. It's 7, which makes this 4, which makes that 9. That eliminates 9 in the rest of the box and row. No 4 here. 7 eliminates 7 from the rest of this row here, which means 7 has to be one of these two digits, which eliminates 7 in the rest of the column. This can't be 7 because of 7 in the row. 7 away is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has to be less than 7, so this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It must be 3 to add up to 7. So that's satisfied. And I think we're done with all the yes, this is done also. So we're done with all the distance sums, so the rest is going to be normal Sudoku. This can't be 6 or 7, it's 9, which eliminates 9 here, no 9 here. This 7 eliminates 7 here, so it's 6, which makes that 7. This can't be 3 because of 3 in the box, so and this can't be 7 because of 7 in the column, so this is 9, that's 7, which makes this 3. No 3 here, no 3 here. This is 6, 8, 9 as a triplet, which eliminates 6, 8, and 9 in the rest of the box. No 6 or 8 here, so it's 7. We have 2 and 8 remaining in column 1. This can't be 2 because of 2 in the row, so this is 8, that's 2. So no 8 here, no 8 here, no 8 here. This 4 eliminates 4 here, so it's 3 and 8, which eliminates 8 here, so it's 9 and 2. This can't be 2 or 9, it's 3. No 2 here, no 9 here, so this is 6, which makes this 7 and 4. 7 eliminates 7 here, so that's 6, which makes that 7. No 6 here, no 6 here, or 7, or 2, so this is 8. 8 eliminates 8 here, so it's 7, which makes that 2. 4 and 6 eliminate 4 and 6 here, so that's 8, which makes this 6. This can't be 6 or 9, it's 8, which makes 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 9. Remaining digits of row 9. We have 2 and 9. 9 can't be here because of 9 in the column, so that's 2, that's 9. Remaining digits here are 5 and 6. Okay. Remaining digits in this box here are 3 and 6. 3 can't be here because of 3 in the column. So this is 6, 3. 6 eliminates 6 here, so it's 5 and 6 there. That forces this to be a 5 here. This can't be 2 because of 2 in the row, so this is 8, which makes that 2. That leaves that as a 3. Remaining digits in row 2 are 6 and 9. No 6 here because of 6 in the column, so it's 9 and 6, which leaves this as an 8 and this as a 9. And that's a solution. Yeah, fairly straightforward. These distance sums were kind of interesting. I've never run into these before, so it was kind of interesting to work through those. I missed some obvious ones, I guess, but yeah, it just takes some time sometimes to look through these things. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.